What should I read? This is the hardest, easy question I get asked. The honest answer is always depends on something you haven't told me yet, which is where you actually are right now. That's the entire difference between a recommendation and a prescription. So let me walk you through how I actually think about it. Stop asking what's a good book. Merely useless question for this purpose. Plenty of excellent books are completely wrong for where you are. Ask instead, what am I actually feeling? Not what do I want to feel. What's actually here? Tired, angry, numb, overwhelmed, grieving something you can't name yet. Be specific. A vague feeling gets you a vague match. Match the book to the feeling, not your aspirations for yourself. This trips up almost everyone. You're exhausted and you reach for something dense and improving because you think you should be reading something substantial. Then you wonder why you can't get past page 20. If you're depleted, you need a book that gives, not one demanding you become a better read version of yourself by Friday. Acclaim isn't relevance. Prize winners, classics, the books everyone says changed their life. None of that guarantees it's right for your specific moment. A book can be genuinely brilliant and still be exactly wrong for you right now. That's not the book's fault. That's not yours either. That's just timing. If it feels like work after 50 pages, put it down. People resist this one most because we've been taught finishing is a virtue. It isn't when it comes to reading. This isn't about completion, it's about whether the book is doing something. 50 honest pages and nothing's happened. Probably not the one for this moment. Put that book down. No guilt. Try something else. And that step almost everyone skips, which is writing afterwards. One sentence is enough. What did this make me feel? Ask yourself, what did I recognize? What surprised me? The reading does half the work, but writing completes it. Skip that part and you usually lose what the book actually gave you within a week. That's the whole method. Not complicated, just rarely how we are taught to choose what to read.